In order to comply with vaccine mandate rules, lots of employers are considering an option for workers to submit weekly COVID test results.
As you can imagine, the expense associated with that, it can quickly add up. So who's picking up the tab? 10 Tampa Bay's Eric Glasser went to find out.
Healthcare experts say it's going to be a problem. Under federal law, insurance companies have to cover the cost of COVID tests if ordered by a medical provider. But workplace testing? That's exempt.
You know, it's one of these crazy situations where we have a lot of people who are going to be required to get a test to get back to work, but there's no requirement that their employer plan pay for it.
Sabrina Corlette, a health insurance researcher, says right now it's up to the employer to decide who pays, meaning it could be the employee. And at $50 to $100 per test, that can add up fast.
It's kind of trying to force people's hands, right? So what you want to do is make it so onerous to not be vaccinated that people will be forced to be vaccinated.
I think the point of getting tested every week, which probably is not as effective as getting vaccinated, is to make it uncomfortable.
There's also the question about the medical benefit of weekly testing. Some research suggests it needs to be more often than that.
In order to have an effectiveness in decreasing COVID transmission as good as the vaccine, you'd have to get tested every 3 days.
But they will pick up some positives. They will screen out some cases and keep some people off of this.
There are other options. Most counties still have sites where you can get a free COVID test, like this one in Hillsborough, open 7 days a week. Less expensive, although perhaps not as convenient as your local drugstore. And keep in mind, results can take up to 48 hours.
And there is no shortage of people who may be looking for a less expensive alternative. The Biden administration is still working on its rules, but so far it looks like vaccine mandates will apply to about 2/3 of the nation's workforce.